About this item designed to encourage curiosity and strive to learn more, this versatile video microscope is easy to use and powerful enough for any teen and adult who shows mild interest in science/engineering. Also used as an ideal tool for providing great details for coin collectors. 4.3-inch liquid crystal display, does not rely on Wi-Fi or signal. The LCD screen displays real-time crisp images and good quality videos with no lag or delay. A large screen enhances ergonomics and eliminates eye and neck strain compared with the eyepiece. Additional adjustable LED illumination. Apart from 8 built-in lights around the lens, the 2 base lights are flexible enough to change the direction, avoiding reflection and making it much more visible on the screen. 50-1000X magnification allows to zoom in and see the incredible details at a magnification range from 50 to 1000x. The actual magnification differs due to the screen size, and the distance between the camera and object. Allows taking photos and recording videos with included 2GB SD card. Microscope PC view, supports connecting to the computer so you can observe on a larger scale. No extra software download is needed, just run the default apps. Windows camera for the Windows system. Does not compatible with Mac OS. Solid metal frame construction, utilizing aluminum alloy to build the base, stand, and holder. This LCD microscope offers long-term use and allows micro-soldering or repairing printed circuit boards. Can be separated from the stand so that you can hold it free to explore the unknown outdoors. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item designed to encourage curiosity and strive to learn more.